Nice try!
Gandang game natin ha.
Bobo ng bench siya, stand lang
Buti panalo. Galing ni Boss eh. Galing nito.
Sis, motor ka eh.
Uwi ka na ba?
Okay, meron ba?
Okay, ingat, ingat.
Oy, una na kami ha.
Ay, mga si Rex. Hoy, Rex. Alam na. Hoy, Rex. Doon na tayo, Rex.
Pwede, kakatapos ka lang maglaro eh. Sige na Rex, pagbigyan mo lang kami. Kahit one game lang. Talaga pwede eh, kasi magkikita kami ng girlfriend ko.
Sige na Rex, ako nang bahala sa pangalan mo.
Sige na nga, pang-usapan na yan, libre yan eh.
Gusto ko sa'yo, Rex eh. Ha? Tayo ka to, pre!
Tunay na Dota to. Okay na.
Tira, pre.
Okay, push!
Oo. Na!
Wala na, talo na tayo.
Oh, ayan. Teka ha. Ito, okay.
Teka lang, okay, push lang.
Na. Pre. Patayin mo na yan, pre. Nakakasagabal sa laro natin.
Sige, sakit lang.
Standard na lang kayo. Parang na lang dapat eh.
Ano yung cellphone mo?
Ayoko!
Akin na!
Ayoko!
Akin na masabi!
Ayoko po!
Ayaw mo ha?
Tol, tumawag mama ni Mitch.
Ay, nangyari masama kay Mitch.
Pinold up si Mitch. Nanlaban. Kaya siya pinaril.
How could this happen to me? I made my mistakes, got nowhere to run. The night goes on as I'm fading away. I'm sick of this life, I just wanna scream. How could this happen to me?
Bagay lang na sila. Mas minahal ko ng Dota. May isang tao na mahal sa akin. Mas pinahalaga ko ang Dota kaysa sa babae. Ano sa buhay mo?
Try to smile so the hurt won't show. Tell everybody I was glad to see you go, but the tears just won't go away. Loneliness found me. Looks like it's here to stay. I know that I ought to find someone new. What I find is myself always thinking of you. As long as the stars shine down from the heavens, long as the rivers run to the sea, I'll never get over you, getting over me. Oh, no matter what I do, each night's a lifetime to live through. I can't go on like this. I need your touch. You're the only one I've ever loved. And as long as the stars shine down from the heavens, long as the rivers run to the sea, I'll never get over you, getting over me. Never get over you, getting over. Never get over you, getting over. Never get over you, getting over me.
Ano to? Wala!
Pera na to!
Ay, big five! Oh shit! Nandito na ako sa big! Ayan na! Tol, stab ko na! Kill mo! Oh! May kayo! Yari! Wait! Gago! Lahat mo na kayo eh!
What should I do? Baby, I'm missing you. Please don't disappear. These are the words that we should hear. Time and time again, I wish that you over, never get over you, getting over, never